After you,
Thank you.
Order. After you, I'll give the chair of the prayer breakfast committee, the co-chair. One of the co-chairs is in the Senate, and from this house is Chepkonga. Then I'll put the question. Buddy, you want to say something? Junet?
Speaker, Mr. Speaker,
2 minutes.
I stand to support the motion, Mr. Speaker, that we suspend the sitting of tomorrow morning so that we can have the prayer breakfast. Mr. Speaker, we have been having this prayer breakfast now for quite some time when I've been in this parliament. It's very important, Mr. Speaker, that people come together, pray together, reconcile together, so that the country can move forward. But Mr. Speaker, this prayer also is a very expensive one. It's not the ordinary prayer, Mr. Speaker. The kind of food they serve there, Mr. Speaker, I don't know whether it comes through prayers also, because it's not a small thing, Mr. Speaker. So, Mr. Speaker, I don't know how we can get feedback whether God has accepted that prayer. It's what I've been looking for the last 5 years, Mr. Speaker. But having said, Mr. Speaker, I have heard the majority leader, he said he has prayed for me so that I can come back. Mr. Speaker, one prayer that I know has not been accepted is that one. Because he just called me, he never prayed. He told me, but there's some business in the house, business, come back to the house, we discuss. That's not a prayer, Mr. Speaker. And I know, even from his physical appearance, Mr. Speaker, he cannot qualify to pray for anyone. You know the way he appears, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, lastly, I want to say that let us not also overuse prayers. Sometimes we might burden God with small things because he has given you brain to do it. But if you continue praying on everything, Mr. Speaker, and you are a doctor, you can treat someone like Dr. Pokosi, Mr. Speaker, but you are telling me go and pray so that you get healed. That one I will not accept, Mr. Speaker. So let us, tusisumbue Mungu pia sana, let us pray for important things that we need help from God. Thank you very much.
Honorable Junet, God has never complained about
I know.
Buddy.